Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see PayPal transactions over 90 days. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are trying to see your transaction history, but it's only showing you 90 days on PayPal. How do you actually go ahead about seeing over 90 days? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to PayPal, click on Activity, click on All Transactions. Next, you're going to click on this right here where it says Filter. Now from here, you have the date option. You want to change this to whichever customized date range that you want. So if you want to see the past year of 2024, you can change it to 2024 and click on Apply Filters. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see PayPal transactions over 90 days. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.